Alrighty, today we're going to start by showing you how to edit a document in Google Docs. So first off, you're going to go to your Google Drive, and you're going to notice here that you're going to hunt for your document and begin to edit it. So first, to get to your document, you're going to search for the one that you want. Ours is the cat and the mat story. We're going to click on it, and once you've got it pulled up, you can start to edit. Now, Google Docs has a few basic edits we're going to go over today. The first is just making the basic edit of changing the name of your story. And what you're going to do first is you're going to go up to the title. That'll be in your upper left-hand corner, and you're going to click on it. Next, with all the highlighted words, if you're going to change everything entirely, just hit your backspace button and begin to type your new name. Once you've found your desired name for your document, you can just hit OK and it'll save it. One good thing about Google Docs is it does save everything automatically. So therefore, everything that you change is automatically going to go in there. No hit and save, no anything, which saves a lot of time and a lot of heartache when you're editing. The next thing we're going to do is just show a few basic edits. We're going to start by showing you how to change font, change the font size, as well as bolding, italicizing, underlining, alignment of your font, and also bullet points in case you're doing a presentation or anything. Now, one thing is all of these tools are in your toolbar. So we're going to start by changing the font for our title. So you're going to start and you're going to highlight your title. And we're going to go up here to the font size, font style, and hit, and we're going to look down to find a font that we're very pleased with and we think fits our story. Once we've found that, we're going to click on that font, and as you can see, it changed it. We're also going to change the font size while that we've got it highlighted. So you go up here to font size, hit your down arrow again, and just choose your desired font size. And one thing too, we're going to show you a basic edit of bolding your font, especially with your titles. You would want them bold, underline, or italicized, just to show the difference between that and the rest of your document. So we're going to hit by bolding our title, and once you hit that, as you can see, the bold becomes highlighted to show that we've done that edit. And as you can notice, all the changes are saved in Drive as it says up in here, and that way you know that your Google Chrome is working just fine. And then the final step we're going to do with our title is we're going to center align it, and we're just going to go by being up in our toolbar again and hitting that center align button. And we're also going to center align the name of our authors and get them all centered up nice. And then one other thing you can do is you can always go into your document and fix any typos or anything that may be needed. As you can see here in our last sentence, we need a comma. So that lazy fat cat on a mat. And of course, any English grammar Nazi knows that we need a comma between fat and cat. Between lazy and fat, excuse me. So we're going to click our cursor right beside the word lazy and put a comma, and it will also edit the document that way. And then also, just to show how bullet points can work, we're going to make our story in bullet points. So first what you're going to do is you're going to start by putting your cursor at the very beginning of your story. You go up here to your toolbar, and it should be closer to your right-hand side at the very end. Your bulleted list, and you're going to hit that down arrow, and you're going to choose the bullet points that you wish to have them look like. You can do circles, you can have the spade, you can have the squares, arrows, stars. But actually, I'm going to choose this one, and you're going to hit it, and as you notice, it shifts everything over to the side and changes it. And one thing with bullet points is as you hit enter, it adds the bullet point. So you can go in and just click at the beginning of each of your sentences and hit enter, and it'll add the bullet points. So therefore, at the end of your document, there's bullet points in it in case you need to add them for any presentation. So that was a few basic edits on Google Chrome, Google Docs. And it's very simple interface. All things are changed automatically, and all tools can be accessed from the toolbar, which is at the top of the screen under your title.